My name is Jeremy Hoover. I work at Shaheen Chevrolet in the Collision Center, and I do collision repair. I've worked here 26 years, and when a person gets in an accident, I repair their car for them. My day consists of reassembling cars after they've been painted, repairing the cars, such as putting on fenders and like the car behind me or the truck, putting on box sides, whatever I need to do during the day for my job, I try to get it done and then send it to paint or reassembly. Actually, I started learning bodywork with my dad about 12 years old. He worked at a dealership and he did it at home at night. And so that kind of got me sparked my interest. I went to college at LCC, got hired in here as an apprentice, a painter's helper, worked my way up to a body shop apprentice, and then eventually I worked out my own, and here I am today. I like doing the Bondo work, but I also like the welding and replacement process. But what gives me satisfaction is seeing the repair at the end of the day and how good it looks. Trying to find all the damage on a real hard hit car that spun around or went off the ditch. Taking the time to assess the damage on the car properly. Yep. We have a process set up here at Shaheen Chevrolet. Everybody has their own job duties. Mine specifically is the repair process. So I'm painting fenders, bumpers, whatever it needs to do to make the car ready for paint. I believe like the tri-stage cars are harder to match because there's so many different coats and layers to make them match properly. Where we have a DFR team, which is disassembly for repair. They tear them down, do the estimate, go over them with the estimator, then the parts get ordered, and then we get them in the collision part of it to do the repairs. When everything's here, the parts are ready, and then we work on it till it's ready for paint. Once it's painted, we have to reassemble the car, make sure everything fits, all the lights work properly, so it's ready for the customer after it gets cleaned up for pickup. I mean, all my tools are valuable tools to me, you know. I mean, everything has a specific duty for what I need. I found out, you know, doing this for 26 years, the more tools you have, the easier your job becomes. So, it just makes you more efficient and everything gets ran more efficient. I like Mac and Snap-on tools, preferably. They last a long time. They're great products, so, I mean, it helps me do my job. This is my roll cart toolbox. This is probably 90% of the tools I use during the day. I have a lot more, but this is my main necessity tools that I use all day long. I'm married. My wife's name's Rhonda. I have 3 boys, Jacob, Gavin, and Branson. They all play sports. My oldest son, Jacob, plays soccer. He plays in a marching band. My son Gavin, he plays basketball, and my little son Branson, who's 10, he loves to play soccer. So we're all pretty busy. Love hunting, love fishing, spending time out there in the outdoors. My family, my kids, it's a great time. My oldest son Jacob loves deer hunting. This year he's dedicated to getting his first deer with a bow. My son Gavin, he actually wants to start hunting this year, so we're trying to get him ready for gun season. And my little one Branson, he got addicted to fishing really hard this year, so we've spent every weekend fishing this summer. So he just loves it. We've redecorated his room and fishing stuff, so he's got more fishing equipment than anybody I know. He's 10. My wife and I love to go out to Longhorn Steakhouse. We just love that place. That's our enjoyment, is going out to dinner, just the 2 of us. And I am from St. John's, Michigan. If I could have one car, it'd be a Copo Camaro Red, because I love to drag race. They just look so much fun, and they're just a beautiful car to have. Every day I drive here, I think, God, it's been 26 years, but it doesn't seem that long. And I work for a great company. Ralph, Jason, everybody are just great people. They do a lot for our families. I couldn't ask for more out of a company. And that's why I enjoy working at Shaheen Family.